Welcome back to The Explainer. Today, we're stepping right into the literal architecture of power. We're going to dissect a timeless strategy, really diving into the human psychology of why some people remain trapped in just endless exertion, while others seem to just glide, building empires that sustain themselves. This is all about the mastery of leverage. No emperor ever purchased a 25th hour. Let that really sink in for a second. Time is our ultimate human limitation. It's the one metric completely undefeated by wealth or status. Yet the true masters of the game, they don't sell their time, they multiply it. They literally change the very nature of how the sand falls through the hourglass, transforming seconds into seeds of exponential growth. So, I have to ask you, are you carrying buckets or are you building pipes? Think about how you exert effort every single day. Most of us are taught to pick up a bucket, walk to the river, fill it up, and walk all the way back. That's linear work. But true leverage demands a fundamental shift in how we think. It's the dichotomy between physical constraints and structural design. Section 1. Multiplying effort, breaking the 24-hour limit. The contrast here is pretty stark. On one side, you've got the freelancer. They're the tired hand carrying that heavy bucket. 1 hour of work perfectly equals 1 hour of output. But on the other side, you've got the owner, the builder of pipes. For them, 1 hour of strategic design influences thousands of hours performed by systems. That expansive pipe is always going to effortlessly outpace the single bucket. Moving on to Section 2, the asymmetry of insight, the map of reality. Look, information is everywhere today, right? It's chaotic. It's mostly just noise. But knowledge leverage, that's the glowing blueprint that completely clears the static. It's that rare insight others simply cannot see. When you actually possess this map of reality, every single future decision you make becomes exponentially more valuable. Depth beats breadth. We live in a world that's kind of obsessed with knowing a little bit about absolutely everything. But deep knowledge is a literal superpower. Imagine standing in front of a wall of 1,000 locks, with the masses frantically trying to force standard keys. Deep knowledge is the intricate master key. It opens doors of opportunity that other people don't even know exist. Section 3. Network and reputation, the invisible assets. We really need to redefine what a network actually is. A massive list of followers? That's nothing but 1,000 fraying threads. Under real pressure, they just snap. But 10 strong relationships? Those are thick, unbreakable ropes. They can literally move monoliths. A true network isn't a contacts list. It's a sturdy bridge of leaders whose strengths perfectly complement your own weaknesses. Reputation is absolutely your most powerful invisible asset. It's like this grand preceding shadow that wears a crown. It walks right into the room before you do. If you cultivate this, heavy doors just swing open automatically. Your reputation signals immense value without you ever having to say a single word. Money follows trust. It's such a simple statement, yet incredibly profound. A name meticulously built on excellence acts as a powerful magnet. Trust really is the ultimate currency. When you possess it, capital, resources, and massive responsibility are just pulled towards you, long before you ever even have to ask. Which brings us to Section 4, beyond the bottleneck, autonomous structural mastery. If there is just one single thing you take away from this explainer today, let it be this. The ultimate goal is removal. True leverage is measured by what happens when you are gone. Most people spend their entire lives frantically turning the crank just to keep their engine running. Structural mastery is having the courage to let go of the lever and actually watching the machine speed up. Like Rockefeller, do not build a business, build a structure. You have to be the architect of a machine that entirely outlives your presence. Imagine standing on a hill at night, watching a vast city light up across the horizon. You aren't physically powering those lights, you merely design the grid. And that is the true architecture of freedom. And finally, Section 5. Design your legacy, stacking the spheres. Mind, money, time, knowledge, network, reputation, system. Now these aren't just isolated tools. Think of them as celestial spheres. Your deep knowledge builds your reputation. A stellar reputation attracts the network and the capital required to build autonomous systems. And when stacked correctly, they merge into one single blinding force. Hard work creates income. Leverage creates a legacy.
As we wrap up this explainer, I want you to carry this specific question with you. If you completely stepped away from your life's work today, would the machine stop or would it finally speed up? The answer to that question dictates your exact path to infinite freedom.